Hello, everybody. I'm Mr. Fike. I'll be your instructor for this term. I'm always excited about the beginning of a new term because it doesn't really matter how well or poorly you've done in the past. This is a fresh start, and we are a learning community. And so we will be interacting throughout this course, and we can make it the best term ever. So I'm very excited that you've decided to sign up for this course. I absolutely love philosophy. I think from the outset, I'd like you to know that philosophy is not a set of truths or beliefs. It's an activity. It's a way of working through an issue or a problem. And so keep that in mind that this is like, you might think of this as more like um, an auto mechanics or a woodworking shop than it is like, I don't know, some other kind of course like history or economics or something along those lines. So you actually are encouraged to show the thinking that you're doing, and that's what will be hopefully reflected in our interactions, which of course primarily will be written in nature. So again, I really want to thank you for selecting this course because I realize these days you have a lot of different choices about how to pursue an education, and I'm excited to get to know each of you on somewhat of an individual level early on. And please, by all means, read through the orientation materials, the syllabus, check out some of the modules and so on. And let's get this thing rolling. Let's make this the best term ever. Okay,